In a stunning turn of events, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton finds himself entangled in a web of controversy, facing impeachment and serious legal challenges. Despite his suspension from office pending an impeachment trial, Paxton's woes only seem to mount, raising eyebrows within the Republican ranks. For much of his tenure as Attorney General, Paxton has been under indictment for felony securities fraud, a serious accusation that has loomed over his political career. In addition, he has been under scrutiny for his attempts to overturn the results of the 2020 election, a move that led to potential disbarment from practicing law altogether. Adding to his woes, the U.S. Justice Department launched a criminal investigation into corruption allegations so grave that 8 high-ranking officials from Paxton's own office reported them to the FBI. Earlier this year, Paxton faced a multi-million-dollar settlement in a lawsuit, where he was accused of firing several officials in retaliation for their cooperation with the FBI during the corruption investigation. Ironically, it was only when Paxton demanded that Texas taxpayers foot the bill for this settlement that the state's Republican-controlled legislature began showing signs of discontent. The Texas House of Representatives responded to the mounting allegations against Paxton by impeaching him in an overwhelming majority. The case now moves to the Texas Senate, which will conduct the impeachment trial in September. A conviction in the Senate trial would result in the permanent removal of Paxton from his position. The twist in this already gripping story comes with the revelation that the presiding judge for Paxton's impeachment trial is none other than the President of the Senate, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick. In this role, Patrick wields immense power, deciding on crucial matters such as rules and the admissibility of evidence. The implications of such a high-ranking official overseeing the trial of another prominent politician cannot be ignored. What further complicates matters is the recent disclosure of Patrick's campaign finance report, which reveals a massive $3 million donation from the Ken Paxton Super PAC. The timing of this significant contribution raises suspicions, as Patrick is not up for re-election until 2026. The PAC's generosity seems all the more curious given the imminent impeachment trial, where Patrick's judgment and fairness as the presiding judge may come under scrutiny. As political drama and power play unfold, the eyes of the nation turn to Texas, a state known for its size, both geographically and politically. The juxtaposition of Paxton's impeachment trial and the controversial PAC donation adds fuel to the already fiery debate surrounding accountability and integrity in the state's political landscape. It remains to be seen how this remarkable tale will conclude. Will the Texas Senate find Paxton guilty, leading to his permanent removal from office? Will Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick's impartiality come into question, considering the sizable contribution from Paxton's PAC? These questions linger, promising a gripping and potentially groundbreaking conclusion to a story that seems too astonishing to be real, but indeed, it is real, and it continues to captivate the nation.